Hey good people, it's Frankie Telfer here, and today I wanted to introduce the barbell. So this series of videos is going to be a tutorial on different movements with the barbell, whether it's an overhead press, a push press, a bench press, a squat, a deadlift. I feel like all of these exercises can be pretty daunting and scary for a beginner. So if you've never used a barbell before, you're in luck, because we're going to go over a few different tips and cues on how to perfect some of the movements with the barbell.
So the first exercise we're going to go over is the bench press. There's a couple of different things for the checklist for the bench press that I want to go over before we actually start pressing. First is having a nice stance that's about shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider, and getting a nice strong rooted base with your feet. After that, we're going to lean back and work on your grip. So usually I personally like to have my pinky ring around the second ring of the bar, which allows me to have my hand directly above my elbow. Third is going to be our glutes and bringing our hips off of the bench, extending our upper spine forth, and then bringing the hips back down to the bench without losing that glute squeeze. As we press the bar off of the rack, we're going to pull the bar directly down to the bottom of the sternum and then press back up. Inhale, pull, press back up. Be careful here with your grip. You don't want a lot of extension from the wrist. This is how we put a lot of unwanted pressure onto the shoulder. So wrists are going to be 30 degrees, no more than 30 degrees of extension. Pull it down, control it, press back up. So I figured I'd also load the bar so you guys could see what it would look like with a little bit of load on the bar instead of just an empty bar. Same things in mind. Heels rooted, glute squeezed, find my grip. Extension in the upper spine, bring the hips back down, press off the bar, wrist neutral.